Next up we have our almond milk, and this is where it gets a little bit more labor intensive, but again, the flavor and the texture of this milk is it totally pays off in the end.
That's right. So these have been soaking for a while, and I'm just gonna drain them quickly. They go in the blender with 3.5 cups of water again.
We both make these at home at least once a week, and it's become a total staple. And once you just kind of integrate it into your routine, you'll realize it's not actually that much more work.
And they don't last as long as one that you may buy at the store because they don't have those preservatives. I would say it lasts comfortably 5 days in the fridge, and then it starts to get a little weird. All right, this time I'm just gonna do 1 date. A little pinch of salt again. And about 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. And once again, we're just gonna let it blend. Looks good. Yeah. Great. Now, because we left the skins on, we do need to strain it so that it doesn't taste
Gritty.
gritty.
And this is the labor intensive part with almond milk, but I promise you, it's worth it.
And you can just buy a nut milk bag either online or at a health food store typically. You just want to do it until you've gotten most of the liquid out, because why would you want to waste any of that sweet, sweet milk?
Sweet, sweet nectar. This is the best part. It took like what? Less than a minute. Not a big deal.
Not a big deal.
And now, what you're left with is this beautiful, creamy, frothy, perfect almond milk.
Also, if you've ever paid way too much money, like a lot of us have, for the charcoal nut milks that you can get at health food stores or cute cafes, we can make that, and we're going to. So just get a jar with a lid, something that you can shake, or you can do it in a bowl with a whisk or whatever. Put a little bit of activated charcoal at the bottom. You can buy this online or at health food stores.
In the bulk section.
Pour a little bit in there. Activated charcoal is super detoxifying. It's also really multi-purpose. I sometimes make it into a face mask and drink it at the same time.
Super detox.
It's when I'm feeling really extra, or maybe have a bad hangover.
Probably that. Shake, shake, shake. Kind of looks like paint.
It has been called the Gothic latte before. Cheers.
To your health. I don't know if you've heard, but almond skin nails are the new fad.